Welcome to WP Theme Tutorial episode 13. Today we're going to look at another bug with WP eCommerce, this one centering around duplicate content. So you can see I am viewing an antique English chest, and it is in my furniture under the subcategory of chests, and here's our name. You see our URL structure is inventory chests and English antique chest. So now I also put this in a second category. So this is also available under a totally different URL called barometers. Now I know this isn't a barometer, simply for a demo for you. And you can see our breadcrumb, accessories, barometers, and English antiques, and chest on chest. This is not good. We don't want to have duplicate content on our site. So the function that does this is the WPSC product link, which is found in the WPSC functions.php file. If we look at its documentation, it says it's the product link function. It gets the product link, hooks into the post link, which is a WordPress filter, and then it uses the currently selected, only associated, or first listed category for the term URL. And the category slug is the same as the product slug. It prefixes the product slug with product to counteract conflicts. So that's great. But like I said, it doesn't actually work. It's not doing what we need it to. So if we look at line 1239, at least in this version of WP eCommerce, our big issue is where it sets our permalink structure and then it adds the WPSC product category. So if I was to delete that and then refresh, this product should actually be at, let me go back to barometers and English antique chest. And you can see you've dropped barometers out of there. So that also means if I go back to chests and click English antique chest, it's just inventory and then product name. That's awesome. We've dropped our duplicate content, but we can't upgrade WP eCommerce anymore. So ultimately, that is not what we want. So the solution to this is actually to copy our whole function. So we're going to copy from the comments at 1206 all the way down to 1312 where it says add filter post type link. And we would paste that into our functions file. So you can see I've got the whole thing here. Now for me it starts up on, where is it? 520. And I've prefixed the function differently because this is for our theme. I've made my change here, so I've just put it down to post name. So then what I actually need to do is run two filters, or two things against our filters. First, I need to remove the post type, or the filter that WP eCommerce put against post type link, and then I need to add my own filter in there with the correction. So what this does is we're basically just replacing the way WP eCommerce does it without hacking the plugin. So we can keep upgrading WP eCommerce. We're not going to overwrite our changes. Is there a possibility that they'll change something in their function and then it won't quite work, or we won't get some of the bug updates? Yes. So we do have to watch that, and we do have to watch a change log, but we can upgrade without overwriting our changes. So now that this is saved, I'm going to go back, and we're in chests, and I'm going to do a hard refresh again once this finishes spinning up. So I'm doing a hard refresh, which is Shift Command R in Chrome on Mac. And I'm going to click English Antique Chest. And yep, we can see it works. We're still showing in our breadcrumbs barometers, but that's fine because that's the parent category, so that's totally fine. But our URL structure is flat, inventory, and then the name of it. Same with if I go back to, I guess it's barometers all the time now instead of chests. So I suppose there's still a bit of an issue with how our breadcrumbs work, but ultimately we've killed our duplicate content. That is the main goal of this, and that is fine by me. Thanks for watching WP eCommerce, WP Theme Tutorial, episode 13, killing another bug in WP eCommerce. There's a few of them.